In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable multi-currency in Zoho Books using the new method. This powerful tool allows businesses operating globally to manage and simplify their finances by tracking earnings and expenditures in various currencies. Let's dive right into it. First, open your Zoho Books account and head over to the dashboard. This is your main control center where you can easily navigate and manage your financial data. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the settings icon. Clicking on this will lead you to a variety of configuration options to tailor Zoho Books to your specific needs. From this menu, you'll want to select the Currencies option. This is your gateway to managing all currency-related settings in your system. With the Currencies page open, you'll be presented with a list of different currencies. Here you have the flexibility to choose a currency that you want to work with or add to your system. Upon selecting a currency, locate the Edit button. This feature enables you to customize the details of the currency you've chosen according to your business requirements. Next, it's time to input the currency symbol. The currency symbol is crucial as it visually represents the currency you're dealing with, ensuring clarity and consistency across all your financial records. Following this step, you'll need to input your currency name. This ensures that the correct currency is recognized within your transactions and on your reports. Attention to detail is key as you proceed to input the currency's decimal places. The number of decimal places you decide on will impact how monetary values are displayed in your accounts. Most currencies typically use 2 decimal places, but it's essential to match this setting with standard practices for the selected currency. After setting the decimal places, you can move on to input the currency format. This format decides how currency values will appear in your documents, ensuring they are standardized according to global practices or personal preference. Once you've configured all these settings, the final step is to click the Save button. This action will confirm your changes and incorporate them into your Zoho Books account. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled and customized a multi-currency environment in Zoho Books. This will help in accurately managing different currencies and streamline your financial management process. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and turn on notifications for more tutorials that will empower you to make the most out of your tools in Zoho Books. Thank you for watching, and have a great day managing your financial transactions across borders.